Welcome to Narcissism Freedom, the safe space where survivors of narcissistic abuse, trauma, and all forms of emotional hardship come to heal, grow, and reclaim their power. Whether this is your first time here or you're returning to find encouragement and support, I want you to hear this clearly. You are seen, you are valued, and you are not alone. The title of today's video says it all. You've been through hell and you still won. This is not just a phrase to catch your attention, it is a statement of truth. Every trial you've endured, every moment of pain, every time you felt silenced, ignored, or broken, you survived. Survival is not passive. It is courage in motion. And the fact that you are still here, still moving forward, is proof of the strength, resilience, and determination inside of you. Many survivors feel guilt or shame after what they have endured. They question themselves, thinking maybe they could have done more. Maybe they weren't strong enough. Maybe somehow they deserved the abuse. Let me tell you now, none of it was your fault. Abuse is never deserved, and the responsibility for cruelty lies entirely with the abuser, never with the person who suffered it. Your survival is a testament to your inner power, your courage, and your refusal to let your past define your future. You didn't just endure, you fought through, and that makes you unstoppable. Healing is not a linear process. It doesn't happen overnight. There will be moments when the past feels heavier than the present, moments when self-doubt creeps in, moments when fear and anxiety seem overwhelming. And yet, every single step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Every time you set a boundary, speak your truth, or choose self-care over the patterns of old, you are proving to yourself and the world that you are still winning. You have survived what many could not. You have endured experiences that could have broken anyone else, yet here you are, stronger, wiser, and more capable than ever. You have gained clarity, self-awareness, and an unshakable resilience that no one can take away from you. Every scar, every tear, every moment of pain has contributed to the person you are today. A person who refuses to be defined by suffering, a person who continues to rise despite the obstacles, a person who is learning to honor themselves fully. It is natural to feel anger, grief, and sorrow for what you've endured. These emotions are not weaknesses. They are reminders of your humanity and of the depth of what you have survived. Give yourself permission to feel them fully, without judgment. But also remember to celebrate the victories along the way, no matter how small. Healing is about progress, not perfection, and every forward step is a triumph. Many survivors struggle with self-worth after abuse. They may feel unworthy of love, of respect, or of happiness. Hear this clearly. You are deserving of all these things and more. Your past does not define your future. Your experiences do not diminish your value. You are still here, still breathing, still fighting for yourself. That alone is a victory. Every moment that you choose to rise, to continue your healing journey, is a declaration that you will not be held down by the past. Part of healing is reclaiming your voice. For too long, abusers have tried to silence you, manipulate you, and make you doubt your own reality. Speaking your truth is an act of courage. Sharing your story, even in small ways, is an act of power. Every time you assert yourself, set boundaries, or stand up for what is right for you, you are proving to yourself that your life, your experience, and your voice matter. You are rewriting the narrative that someone else tried to write for you, and you are claiming your own truth. It's also important to acknowledge the growth that comes from surviving hardship. Pain does not make you weak, it can make you stronger. Challenges teach resilience, courage, and empathy. They give you insight into yourself and others. They sharpen your ability to navigate life with clarity and purpose. The fire you've been through has refined you, not defined you. You are not the sum of what you've endured. You are the sum of what you've learned, how you've grown, and the strength you've cultivated along the way. Many survivors carry guilt for surviving, while others have not. They may feel selfish for focusing on their healing or for prioritizing themselves. But focusing on your own recovery is not selfish, it is necessary. You cannot pour from an empty cup. By prioritizing your growth and well-being, you are giving yourself the foundation to live a life that is fulfilling, empowered, and free from the chains of past abuse. Your healing journey is not a race. It is a lifelong process of self-discovery, self-acceptance, and transformation. Celebrate the small victories, recognize your progress, and trust that every challenge you overcome is proof of your resilience. Healing is about reclaiming your power, your peace, and your joy. It's about building a life that reflects your true self, not the version others tried to force upon you. This channel exists to support survivors like you. Here, you'll find encouragement, tools, guidance, and a community that sees your victories, even the small ones. We honor every step you take, every boundary you set, and every moment you choose yourself over the shadows of your past. You are a champion. You are strong. You are not broken, you are rising. So today, take a moment to recognize your courage. Reflect on how far you've come, on the battles you've fought, and on the strength that has brought you through. You've survived what many could not. You've endured, grown, and transformed. And the truth is, you are still winning, even when the journey feels long. If this message resonates with you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so we can continue creating empowering content for survivors everywhere. Remember, your healing is your victory, your growth is your triumph, and your story matters. By standing strong and continuing your journey, you are not only winning for yourself, but inspiring others to rise as well. Never forget, you've been through hell and you still won. That is your power. That is your strength. And that is your story.